All right, come on in, everybody. I have a quick announcement to make. All right, what's going on, everybody? Looks like I have people on every platform. We're streaming live. We have I think this is Instagram on this side, YouTube on this side. I thought I would go live with you guys just before we get into our training today. All right. Of course, I'll be in training in the next 3 minutes for my students. Today is Monday, of course. This is our Trade Alert training. Okay. And I thought I would go live with you guys real quick. So I got about 2 minutes. So I'm going to pretty much wrap this up real fast. So let me explain something. I had a chance to speak with someone today, okay, who is an aspiring student of mine, all right? And he was telling me how, well, what happened was he and I had communicated over the weekend, I believe, or maybe last week, and then I noticed that he had messaged me again and wanted to know more about my services. So I said, well, I thought that maybe I had answered your question before. What other questions might you have? So he told me that because I thought the last time we talked, I thought that I was very straightforward. I thought he knew exactly what it was, where I was coming from. So he told me today that he was scared. He was scared to go ahead and push the button and get started. So I want to let you guys know something because I find it all too often that this is happening. You guys are basically greeted with an opportunity, and when you see the opportunity, because of your experiences prior to finding an opportunity, you become closed in and shell shocked. You like, oh, I don't want to make a move. I'm too afraid to make a move. I believe that this could be the same situation that I had found myself in before. I totally get that. When I had explained to this gentleman about my business and how I conduct my business, he went on to say, wow, like he didn't expect me to respond so straightforward and candidly. All right. Because I'm one to believe that, I talk to a lot of people from all across the world who want to learn how to trade Forex, see the market as I see it. And I told him candidly, I said, listen, I operate a business where I'm here to show you how to trade, but at the end of the day, I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear. I'm not going to tell you you're going to make all this money. I'm not going to tell you that you're guaranteed to make 5 pips a day, or you're guaranteed to make this a day, or whatever. I cannot do that, and I will not do that. And he said, you know what? That's why I trust you, because you just tell it how it is. And that's the point that I want to make. And I got like 1 minute before I get into actually 2 minutes before I get into training, you guys. He told me, well, I told him, I said, listen, when it comes to when you have confidence in what it is that you know, and you have confidence and you know what it is that you're talking about, I don't have to sugarcoat anything. All right. This is not me being arrogant or rude or anything. It's like this. If someone asks me about trading Forex and I'm confident about how I see the market, how I trade on the market, I'm just going to let people know how it is. I'm not going to dress up the answer just because I want your business. That's not how I operate. I'm not, knocking down anyone's door. I'm not knocking on your door saying, hey, listen, please undergo my training. I promise you, you're going to make 30 pips, 50 pips a day, 80 pips a day. That's not the way you do it. You set the tone and you stick with it. Ride it out. Set the tone and ride it out. So I want to let you guys know it's so important. Just like this gentleman, when I conduct business, I just let it be known what it is that I'm offering. And if you cannot gel with that, if it's not appeasing to you, then we cannot conduct business. And I want to let you guys know that, just very straightforwardly. You do not have to dress up any answer when you know that your services and you know what you stand for is solid. That's the bottom line. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not in the business for sugarcoating anything. I'm not in the business for telling people what they want to hear just for you to join my services. Because at the end of the day, you guys, there are thousands of people all over the world who are finding Forex for the first time. And there are thousands of people, or let's say even more people, who are already trading Forex and don't know how to trade. They're being ripped off by people. And so if I'm doing well, why do I have to lie to someone? Why do I have to sugarcoat or deceive someone, make them believe that, oh yeah, you're going to make all this money in this amount of time? Come on now, that's so unethical. So we're going to go ahead and let me go ahead and start the training because I want to make sure my students are on. So I just want to let you guys know that because I'm not in the business for sugarcoating anything. When you know what you know, you shouldn't have to lie to anyone or dress up anything. It's just a matter of you being honest, all right? Be honest with yourself, be honest with people, and people will respect you for that, all right? Just want to let you guys know that, all right? So that's pretty much it, you guys. Have yourself nothing short of a fantastic day, all right? All right. Peace, everyone. Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing today?